Here's how to fix the touch screen if it's not working on Samsung. Now, if you have a Samsung phone and you're not able to use the touch screen, or maybe when you do touch it, it doesn't really work all that well, I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we can do is press and hold the power button. Now, all we're going to do is tap on the restart button, or of course, if you can't tap because the touch screen doesn't work, just keep pressing and holding until it force shuts your phone down and then restart it. You'd be surprised how many times that fixes the touch screen. Now, the second thing I would recommend doing after you've done that is you're going to take the screen protector off the phone. So if you have a screen protector, a lot of times that can cause issues with your phone screen registering your taps. After you've done that, if you are able to navigate into your settings, there's a really important setting to change. Let's scroll down and tap on display here. And then again, we're going to scroll down, and at the very bottom, you can see touch sensitivity. And it says increase the touch sensitivity for use with screen protectors or if there's issues with your touch screen. So turn this on, and now it will be a lot more sensitive to light touches, especially if you have that phone protector or protector screen on. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is going out of here and scrolling down to the bottom, tapping on software update. Now, from here, just tap on download and install a fresh new version of the Android operating system. Keep in mind, a lot of times bugs and glitches on your Samsung phone are just fixed by updating to the latest version of Android. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.